This is our model number 311, and that is density based traffic signal. These are traffic signals, density based traffic signal with remote override in case of emergency. Meaning, normally the traffic signal will be monitored as per the density of the vehicle. Density of the vehicle means if this is a road, and we have always on the right side the signal, that means when this becomes green, the vehicle will move. When this becomes red, the vehicle stops. Similarly for this side and this side. So presently what we find is green means the vehicle will be moving this way. And once it becomes red, the vehicle will not move. Now what you can notice, when there is no vehicle here, and we will find that this green time is given much less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 7 seconds it changes to red. But when the vehicles are there and waiting to go, what you notice, we'll see now the timing will change. Now we see when the vehicles are waiting to go, we find that this timing will automatically change from, now say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that it goes on till all the vehicles are cleared, and that is how the timing is based on the density of the traffic. Besides the same, it also has a provision of emergency override. Emergency override meaning if there is an emergency vehicle, for example an ambulance or a fire brigade, it has the vehicle will have the option of choosing its path so that the other paths are blocked by red signal. We will see that the emergency vehicle will be having a handheld unit like this, where there are 4 red LEDs and 4 green LEDs. So once these red LEDs are glowing, what we notice, the timing as usual and the traffic signal is functioning as usual. Once this unit, which is held by the vehicle, desires to go a particular direction. Like for example, if this wants to go in this direction and this becomes green, in the process what we find, 3 of them has become red and only this one is allowed to go because it's always on the right side. Rest all are blocked till the ambulance or the fire brigade crosses. Like that, for any other zone it happens like this. It also covers the density. There are 3 zones and 3 different timings will be there, and also the emergency override. Thank you.